This is the Aqua Puffs Fluffs 3D Art Puffs Kit, a fun and mess-free craft activity designed for kids ages 3 to 8. What makes this kit stand out is the water-activated design. There's no need for glue, paint, or extra supplies. Kids simply add a little water, and the soft puffs stick right into place, making it easy and clean to use. It comes with double-sided designs featuring dinosaurs and space themes, which adds variety and keeps kids engaged while they create. The 3D effect gives their artwork a fun, textured look that really stands out once it's finished. I like that it's simple enough for younger kids to enjoy, while still being creative and hands-on. It's a great option for rainy days, quiet playtime, or even as a small gift or activity to keep kids busy. If you're looking for an easy, no-mess craft that encourages creativity and imagination, this Aqua Puffs Fluffs kit is a fun and convenient choice.